What's up? In the kitchen again. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. I got some Canon salt. Got some venison meat. Just chopped it up. Been working all morning. Got my mason jars. And then we got this very, very old canner. Let me show y'all how to do it. We're using 1 teaspoon of canning salt. 1 teaspoon of Kinder's The Blend, and 1 teaspoon of your favorite Worcestershire sauce. All right, I'm getting the Canon salt in each one, keeping the tops of the lids very clean. Now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of this in each jar. And then I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire, maybe a whole teaspoon. First time I've ever tried this, bet it's gonna be good. This has got black pepper, garlic, and salt in it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the lids clean. By the way, all this is sterile. Just put these on hand tight. My water's over there almost boiling. So I'm gonna go put them into the cooker. Come on. I've got what I call a blank because I did not have 7 quarts, so we're just gonna fill it up like this. We're loaded up. I got the old school. This little thing right here will start dancing and singing when it gets to the right pressure. So I'm just going to carefully put it on here. All right, we got the little whistly thing whistling. Now I'm going to turn the heat down and set the timer for 90 minutes. Now we got the timer going off. We're going to turn the heat off. Cancel the timer. Let it set till it has no pressure. If you open it now, you will have sudden loss of feeling in your skin. Success with the first Canon venison. Woo-yah, let's go.